arrived at the El Nido Airport via Air Swift from Manila. Then the next day, we were picked up by a guy in a tricycle. It was so close too, we probably could have walked, but the transportation was included with our tour ticket.
We are about to go on our island hopping tour. It was a little bit chaotic. We had to pay for the environmental fee and entrance fee, so if you come here, make sure you have smaller bills because they won't take anything greater, they won't take 20s, I guess. So yeah, have smaller bills, and also get yourself one of those like waterproof bags, just in case you're filming too and you don't want your stuff wet. Yeah, get us yours. Sure. Like Rain has one too, but it's cheaper here compared to buying it on Amazon, just FYI. So we booked our travel through Klook, and on our paperwork it says to pick us, they were going to pick us up at the lobby at around 9, but they showed up at our hotel at 8. So unfortunately I couldn't charge everything I wanted to charge, and Rain wasn't ready, and we were really rushed, so we were kind of annoyed by that. But I mean, it is what it is. At least we're here, so yeah, I'll show you the rest of the island soon.
It was less than $18 USD for each person when I booked the tour on Klook, and it included Tour A of El Nido, which consists of that free hotel pickup but no drop-off, lunch is included, and snorkel equipment, sans flippers of course. The BANGKA ride was surprisingly smooth on the way to the Big Lagoon, which was our first stop, and even though it's summer here, we were lucky enough to have great weather on this trip. I forgot to mention that disposable plastic water bottles are not allowed when you go on these tours in order to conserve the environment. So do yourself a favor and bring your own reusable stainless steel water bottles so you don't get dehydrated. The staff members on our BANGKA or outrigger were so funny and helpful, and we were glad that they were our tour guides. This guy even went above and beyond to take photos. Just look at that dedication.
Oh my god! I don't!
Our first stop, and our longest stop, was at Big Lagoon.
Okay, we're currently in Big Lagoon. It's kind of raining. Just kayaking. I mean, I guess we broke our case. Our GoPro case. Dang it.
It was 250 pesos to rent a kayak, which is about $5 USD give or take, on the Big Lagoon, which is not included in the tour because some people prefer to swim to the lagoon, so make sure you bring cash and in small bills. The first portion of that lagoon was made up of crazy clear shallow water, and I did see a few jellyfishes? Jellyfi? Anyway, the water in the second portion of the lagoon had such a gorgeous shade of turquoise blue and was a lot deeper.
Oh, let's stop. Rain's back muscles. And I want to do what they're doing. Do more photos over there. Yeah, okay, let's go back around to shore. Okay, there. Okay, honey. We're waiting for the rest of our crew, and we're gonna head over to the next location. Sorry, it's a little bright. There's rain. It's pretty. Hi, honey, look it. Hi. We're just waiting and taking a lot of pictures, which is great because that's what I wanted to do anyway. This is what it is when you have a YouTube channel. I'm going to look at it. We're here in this island now. I don't know what it's called. But this is where I guess we're gonna have lunch. We pretty much just swam to shore. I like this one. See, all the outriggers are here, like, see? This is the designated spot where people have lunch after their tour, or in between their tour. So we literally just went to the Big Lagoon and then went here for lunch. And then I think we have 4 more locations, but I don't know if we have time because we left really late, about like 2 hours late, so I don't know, we'll see. But here, this is how it looks like.
Rain was able to capture amazing drone footage of the island before the food was served. Then we ended up docking in Shimizu Island, but we only stayed there for a few minutes, so Rain and I decided just to hang out on the boat and rest our stomachs for a bit.
No!
Then we went to Secret Lagoon.
This is Secret Lagoon. We have to enter through this little hole. That's why there's a bit of a traffic jam here. Sorry, it's kind of hard to vlog, and then also it's blurry. So everyone's trying to get through this little thing of a bummer. It's supposed to be our second to last stop. Wow, my hair looks hilarious. Our second to last stop from the tour. And then after this is Seven Commando Beach.
See, aren't you going to pack your shoes?
I wasn't not gonna pack my shoes. These are all the BANGKAs. Going into the Cave of Wonder. European side. It's so nice.
Then we had to climb through a little mini entrance, like a mini tiny cave, to get to the lagoon, and on the way out I gashed my knee on a piece of rock that was sticking out underwater. Ooh, and the bruise is still there.
Oh yeah. Okay, buddy. Oh my god. Sorry y'all, it's hard to vlog at the same time. Yeah. Oh, okay lang. Thank you. Alright. I hit my knee somewhere. I mean, it's kind of cool. This is Secret Lagoon. That's it? I'm just kidding. This is Secret Lagoon. So we just went through that little hole. Oh my gosh, I'm getting like freaked out by my own like life jacket. I'm like, what is that touching me? It looks like this. Where are you going? What is this cave?
Is it video or
It's a video.
And then maybe you should put your camera away.
And then our last stop was Seven Commando Beach. We literally just hung out, drank coconut, and took a bunch of photos.
We are in Seven Commando Beach. This is our last stop on the Tour A Island Hopping Tour. Oh, and I'm tired, so it'll be a nice way to relax.
All in all, I think this was an amazing deal. Less than $18 USD, not including tip, for a full day's worth of island hopping, and the crew members were so friendly, helpful, and entertaining. I would definitely recommend this tour if you go to El Nido for the first time. I'll place the link to the Tour A on the description below, and if you've been to El Nido, which tour or tours did you go to, and which ones do you recommend? Also, comment below if you've been to Coron and any suggestions as to what to do there. In next week's video, we'll be in Boracay, and I can't wait to show you the awesome place we stayed in. So if you want to see that, watch our vlog next week on the next Travel Tuesday. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Salamat!